fraud can be a complete pain in the ass. If you're doing any e-commerce at all, you will absolutely run across people trying to take your hard-earned money from you. Now, there's lots and lots of ways that they can do that, but in this video I'm going to show you a very, very simple way that stops the most prolific online fraud that I have seen. With that being said, let me show you what it is. A big thing that you'll run into when you start your own website and you'll have your own payment processing, whether that's through Shopify payments or through Stripe or Braintree, whatever you're going to use, PayPal, whatever, is fraud. And the number one fraud that I see is where a stolen credit card is used to buy a product on your website. It's then shipped to an address, and the person whose credit card it is doesn't find that out, and for 10 days or until they look at their credit card statement. And by then, the perpetrator of the fraud has disappeared with your product, okay? And then what the person with the credit card will do is they will file what's called a chargeback, so that the credit card company will get the money out of your account and put it back into the customer's account, plus they will charge you a fee for that, okay? So here's how that looks. So you lose the money that your product cost. In this case, it was 225 euros. You lose that because the credit card company gives it back to the owner of the credit card, as they should. You also get what's called a chargeback fee. Typically, that's around about $25, 25 euros, whatever currency you're in. It's about 25 there normally. You lose that too. Then you also get the cost of the product that somebody has pinched from you. You've got that cost as well, plus any cost of any marketing that's involved with getting it to them, any postage costs associated with that, et cetera, et cetera. You lose all of that, okay? It's a really big thing. It's a really, really big thing. Like, your chargeback rate goes over a certain point, then your payment processor increases the fees that they charge you. So it's like a double whammy, okay? So credit card fraud, massive, massive thing. You want to stop it wherever you can. Here's a really, really simple way to do it. It's called the Descriptor trick. All you need to do, so whenever you get your credit card statement, you'll look down your credit card statement and you'll see all the companies that have taken money from your credit card, okay? You see that on there. All you need to do is, when you're setting up your accounts, you put a little code onto it. And normally that's a couple of digits, okay? And that way, you can then go back to these people that have perpetrated the fraud and say, hey, before we refund you, or before we're going to actually allow this order to transact, just check your credit card statement and tell us what the code is. What is the code? Whatever 2 digits next to our name on your credit card statement. If they can't do that, then you don't allow that transaction to go through. You cancel it and you'll save yourself a shitload of money, okay? Super, super cool trick. So like this, for instance. So that's the customer billing statement. So you've got your company name with 81 after it, and then the person who's perpetuated the fraud would have to somehow tell you that it was 81. Clearly, if they've stole the credit card, they couldn't do that. It means you get to do that. Here's how you do it on Shopify. Go to settings, go to payments, go to Shopify payments, then go to manage, just add it into there. On Stripe, so on Stripe, you want to go to the settings tab, which is just over here. Click on settings, and then it's in public details just there, okay? So you can directly do it from there. Super easy to do. Stripe's got no problem with it. Shopify's got no problem with it, but it will save you a fortune in chargebacks. This seems to be very, very prevalent in America. So if you're selling in America, absolutely you want to do it. That was a video from my regular Monday question and answer session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We're a community of 2,500 e-commerce direct-to-consumer entrepreneurs right around the world with sales of over $50 million and growing. If you'd like to find out more what we do, check out the link in the description. Also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more information like this, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. With that being said, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.